In QuickTable, you can easily map the values of a column into a new categorical column. In this video, we will show how to map 3 product categories to the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Click the new column on the toolbar. In the categorical mapping item, choose by text value. Select the sales column on the configuration panel and enter the new column name category_number. Insert category name and click Select Values. On the Mapping Configuration panel, click the plus button on the right of Furniture to map the furniture to 1, then click Save. Then, in the same way, we map Official Supplies and Technology to 2 and 3. Click Save, and here we get a new column category_number. Map the values of the column category to 1, 2, and 3. Thanks for watching.